Isonosaurus. Isonosaurus, meaning Isan lizard, was a sauropod dinosaur from Thailand. It was originally dated to approximately 210 million years ago during the Late Triassic, Late Norian to Rhaetian stages, which would make it one of the oldest known sauropods. Its age was later considered uncertain, and may be as young as Late Jurassic. The only species is Isanosaurus attavipachi. Though important for the understanding of sauropod origin and early evolution, Isonosaurus is poorly known. Exact relationships to other early sauropods remain unresolved. Description: the only specimen includes a neck vertebra, a back vertebra and part of a second, six-tail vertebra, two chevrons, fragmentary ribs, the right sternal plate, the right shoulder blade, and the left thigh bone, femur. This individual may have measured 6.5 meters, 21 feet, when alive. The thigh bone measures 76 centimeters in length. However, the vertebral neural arches have been found separated from the vertebral centra, indicating that these elements were not fused with each other. Thus, this individual probably was not fully grown. Early sauropodomorphs were primitively bipedal, two-legged. Isonosaurus, being one of the first sauropods known, already shows a quadrupedal locomotion, with all four legs on the ground. The legs were column-like, as indicated by the robust and straight thigh bone. In prosauropods, but also in the very basal sauropod Untitled, the thigh bone was slightly sigmoidal, S-curved. Also, like in other sauropods, bony processes of the femur were reduced in Isonosaurus, most notably, the lesser trochanter was lacking. Additional important features can be found in the vertebrae. The neck vertebrae were distinctly episocellous, convex at the front and hollow at the back, forming ball and socket joints with neighboring vertebrae. The tail vertebrae, on the other hand, were amphicoelous, concave at both ends. The dorsal neural spines were very high, like those of some later sauropods, unlike the lower sauropod neural spines. The lateral sides of the vertebrae were concave, but not deeply excavated, a structure known as pleurocoels, as in later sauropods. Discovery: the specimen was found in dark red sandstone of the Nam Phan Formation near the village of Ban Non Ta Warn, in Chai Bum Province. When discovered in 1998, the skeleton had unfortunately been mostly eroded away. With regard to vertebrate fossils, the Nam Phan Formation is poorly explored. Besides Isonosaurus, only two articulated ischia were found. Whether these ischia belong to Isonosaurus is unclear, because no pelvic bones are preserved in the holotype specimen. Isonosaurus was described by French paleontologist Éric Buffetot and colleagues in 2000. The name is derived from Isan, northeastern Thailand. The species name honors P. attavipachi, a supporter of paleontological research in Thailand and former Director General of the Thai Department of Mineral Resources.